Hello and welcome to a game of
Who's that Pokémon?
Except this is part 2 in a video series where we attempt to combine fun and education. If you're confused on how to play or have any questions about the rules, make sure to watch part 1. However, I will be adding a new section in the bottom left corner describing the size of the birds so you're better able to grasp the silhouette. Without further ado, good luck and let me know how you did in the comments below.